The most promising energy resources in the U.S. include the enormous reserves of natural gas and coal bed methane, CBM gas, available right here in America. 3 innovative experts from Wyoming, with vast experience in petroleum engineering, geology, and hydrology, have perfected a revolutionary tool and process that allows the gas to rise to the surface while keeping the water subsurface. The tool and processes are known as ARID, or Aquifer Recharge Injection Device. The tool consists of a rubber packer that seals between the tool and casing, and a mandrel made of aluminum which is surrounded by the packer. The mandrel has 4 ports running through the tool: a gas port, water port, pump cable port, and a transducer port. The process allows for a pump to be attached to the bottom of the water port hole in the ARID tool. A gas riser pipe is attached to the top of the ARID tool on the gas port and extends out through the watertight wellhead to the compressor. The pump cable is run from the pump up through the mandrel and through the wellhead to the power supply. A transducer, if used, is run from either the top of the pump or the top of the tool to the land surface. A pre-selected aquifer is perforated and tested for water yield and water quality compatibility with the quality of the produced water. When those criteria are met, the ARID tool is set below the lowest perforation in the injection zone, but above the static fluid level of the producing coal zone. This allows gas separation to occur as in a typical coal bed methane well. When the well is operating, the pump set below the ARID tool brings water up the riser pipe and through the mandrel to fill the void above the ARID tool. With the watertight wellhead in place, the water has nowhere to go but through the perforations made in the casing and begins to recharge the selected aquifer zone. The gas, breaking out below the ARID tool at the pumping fluid level, now flows through the gas riser pipe and out through the watertight wellhead to the compressor. Test data indicates that an aquifer will receive approximately 75% of its yield. For example, an aquifer that yields 100 gallons per minute will take back about 75 gallons per minute under the same head pressure. The Wyoming Department of Environmental Quality allows a 0.7 frac gradient to calculate allowable pressures at the wellhead. However, most aquifer zones in the Wyoming Powder River Basin tend to take water readily and maintain fluid levels at pressures well below the land surface, or 0 pressure at the wellhead. The permitting is through the Underground Injection Control Program of the Wyoming Department of Environmental Quality. Permitting takes approximately 4 to 6 weeks. Cost savings of using ARID compared to conventional water handling is about 85 to 90%.
For more information on ARID tool and processes, please contact Universal Well Site Solutions, 970-484-5550, or email them at sales@universalwellsite.com.